Hey Master Gardeners, I just wanted to do a quick demonstration on planting pansies, and this would be applicable to planting any kind of annual flowers. So they come in these little market packs. Of course, pansies are tolerant of cool spring weather. They love it, they prefer it. So first thing to do is get them out of the pack. Now sometimes that's not so easy. So I lay it sideways and pinch the bottom of it. Sometimes the roots are coming out. If that interferes, I'll pull it off. But I pinch and squeeze and pull gently. Now he's rooted in the neighbors, but I just pull it apart. Again, I don't pull too many out at once because I don't want them laying in the sun. Sometimes they don't come out, like that one. And look, awful lot of roots on there. Look how intensely rooted that is. That's a little bit of a problem. So what we have to do is stop those roots from encircling the container. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to open it and do what's called butterfly the root system. So I kind of tear it and open it up a little bit. And I'm going to plant it flared out like that to stop those encircling roots. So that's my objective. And then I'm going to dig my hole. So I have to get the mulch out of the way. And look, I've got a heavy layer of mulch here. So the first thing to do is find where the real soil begins. Then once I get it, I cultivate my soil a little bit. And pansies like some fertilizer. So I use my synthetic fertilizer. I give it a little handful like that. Throw it on my soil. Then I'm just going to incorporate it in. I mix it in nice because I don't want a lot of contact with my root systems. I'm going to lay it down in there, try to keep it up at soil level, firmly press. It would be nice if I watered right now, but I'm actually going to drag the hose out here. And now I want you to take notice of the other pansies I planted last night. What are they all missing? Nub, 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 nub. It's not a rabbit problem. When I plant my pansies, I remove all my flowers. And I do this on my annuals. Even if I'm planting marigolds, even if I'm planting cosmos, doesn't matter what I'm planting, I get rid of those flowers. I want my plants to get some new roots on their own in my soil. That's my real objective. And then after they're adapted, then I want them to bloom. So I'm pulling those flowers off. I got a whole pile of them here from last night. Here's all last night's flower blossoms I plucked off. So I know you think that's a terrible sacrifice, but it's for the benefit of my plant and the benefit of later production of flowers. So that's the gist of it. I'm going to push my soil up around it a little bit, leave a little bit of a divot if I have to, and then I'm going to water in. Now after you fertilize, you do need to make sure you water them thoroughly. So I'll give them a little drink now, and I'll come back with my hose tonight. The truth is, I'll just pour it on them. But I give them a nice healthy watering, and I keep watering for the first 2 or 3 days. I'll keep them evenly moist. And that's how you plant an annual. Easy.